Hey guys, this is Marwan and in this video I will be unboxing a very precious thing for you. Very precious gadget. It is a Asus laptop. It is based on i5 processor. And one thing I want to clear you is that this is not a live unboxing because I purchased it from a local market. Just for you guys, I am unboxing this to make you understand what is the build quality of the laptop, how it looks, appearance, and what is the main contents that you get in the box. And one important thing I forgot to tell you, that if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, then please smash that red color button. Guys, let's start the unboxing of this laptop. So as you can see guys, it is already torn because I have purchased it from a local market and by traveling it got damaged. So let's start opening it. What we get? First of all, we get a laptop, because of what we are unboxing this video. So let's take it out. With laptop we get these two boxes for safety. These two boxes and one polythene type cover. So let's take it out of it. And this is our main PC. So first of all we should see what are the box contents. Let's keep this aside. So in this box you will get a power cable and one adapter. That's all. And this is a fast charging adapter and it will charge your laptop in about 2 hours. I am using it for about 2 days. I am using this laptop for about 2 days and it is charging my laptop in only 2 hours. So let's go to the main thing, laptop. So first we should see what is the main appearance of this laptop. Right, first thing what comes in our mind when we see this PC, that this silver color line, because of this it looks very good and very, what we should say, that very expensive. And on the front panel it is very glossy. And one thing also, I have laminated here, so reflection is much more than usual. Its front panel is very good. The side we should see there are two USB ports. This one blue one is a 3.0 and this black one is a 2.0. This is a headphone jack, as you may see friends. This is a HDMI port. It supports HDMI also. This is a VGA port. If you want to connect any monitor, then you can connect by HDMI also you can connect, but you have another option of VGA cable also. This is one LAN 1 cable. Here you can attach your internet. This is one lock and this is the charging port. So we should see other side of this laptop. Here nothing we get it. Here is a DVD ROM. So let's quickly open it. So now let's open it. So first I should tell the specifications of this laptop. It is based on i5 processor. As you can see, it is based on i5 processor with 2.8 GHz with a graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce 920 MX of 2 GB. We should talk more things about RAM. Its RAM is 4 GB based on DDR4. Hard disk is 1 TB. And one best thing we get from this laptop is that it is having two Sonic Master speakers of 5 watt each. It is having a very loud voice. If you are in a small room, you do not have to use any external speaker. Second comes is display. Display is anti-glare. As you can see, reflection is not there as much as usual. Some reflection is there because I am using two flashlights. Now we should come to the touchpad. Guys, believe me, this touchpad is a touchpad that I love. I have never used this kind of touchpad. It is very smooth and anti stickiness is also there. It is very, and you can press anywhere for clicking. It is full touchpad, and on button also it is having touch sensors. Guys, if you want more information about this laptop specifications, I have given full description, full specifications in description. You may check there. You will get whole thing. So we have talked many advantages of this laptop. So we should go to disadvantages also. Some of the disadvantages of this laptop. First thing, the disadvantage of this laptop is it is in a new condition. Then also its battery backup is only of 2 hours. Second disadvantage is its keyboard is like when we press key any hard, so it goes down, and it makes a noise also when we type. Like you can see, it is making a lot of noise when we type on this. And the third disadvantage, the last disadvantage of this laptop is its camera. This is its camera. Its camera is not very good. It is only usable. You cannot shoot any video from it. Actually, you cannot video call from it. It is not very clear. But what you can expect by this price range? It is only a 42,000, and Asus is giving you a i5 processor with 2.5 gigahertz and one graphic card also of Nvidia GeForce. So I think if you are going for a budget laptop for a home purpose, means for a usual purpose, not very confidential, so you can use this laptop. It is a very good, and I have given the buying links in the description. You can check it out. So this was the review. I hope you may like this review. It is a very good laptop on my basis, because I uses it for only for rendering videos and playing games. So guys, this was the unboxing. I hope you like it, and if you have till now not subscribed, then you can subscribe by clicking this circle. Goodbye.